In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to the platform or you've been navigating it for years, sometimes just a little change in our view can make a massive difference, especially when dealing with numbers and data. So, let's get started on making your experience a little more user-friendly by adjusting the zoom. First things first, go ahead and navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Open up your favorite web browser and type in the QuickBooks Online URL, or simply search for it if you don't have it bookmarked yet. Once you're there, you'll notice right at the top right corner of the page is a sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway into the world of accounting management and where the zooming in action is going to happen. Once you have clicked on the sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Type each of these into the appropriate fields. Keep in mind you want to ensure your email is entered correctly, as any typos could lead to login errors. Next, click the sign in button and you'll be granted access to your QuickBooks account, bringing all your financial information right to your fingertips. With me so far? Great. Now let's focus on making your screen a bit easier to work with. If you're using Google Chrome, direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. There's a familiar looking icon featuring 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the settings menu of Chrome, which gives you a variety of options for customizing your browsing experience. In this menu you should see an option marked as Zoom. This is exactly where we want to go. Ready for the magic? Locate the plus icon within the zoom options. It's right there to help you zoom in. Each click will incrementally enlarge what's on your screen, making it all much more readable and reducing eye strain, which is always a bonus when you're working with lots of data. Keep clicking until you reach the desired view. Everything on QuickBooks will now appear larger, making navigation and viewing your financial data much easier. And there you have it, you've successfully adjusted the zoom level in QuickBooks Online, ensuring you can comfortably view and manage your financial data. This simple trick can really enhance your workflow, reducing mistakes and making data review so much easier. Remember, the same steps can be used to adjust back to your default zoom settings anytime you need. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.